Welcome to Nick Tech Tips, and today I'll be showing you how to sort a list in Microsoft Excel based on their date or by their price. So you can see here I've got a list of just dates and prices next to each other down here. So we can sort them by date or price. I'm going to first sort them by date. So what we want to do, we want to select the first top left one and go down to the bottom and then across. So this can work with multiple rows, but we'll just do this. So then from there, go up here to data and then just press sort and just press the A to Z. There you go. All the dates are now sorted in order and all the prices are now sorted with them. So if we go back now to the unsorted version, if you want to sort from prices, just start on the other side, click on the price and move down and select all the ones you want and then across, and then press this A to Z button again, and now it's sorted from lowest to highest. So that's the easiest way to sort them, to sort your items from lowest to highest. Also, if you want it the other way, do the same, select all, back across, press the Z to A, and that will do it the opposite way. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe. Thank you.